Getting crushed by an elephant was a popular form of execution in ancient Asia, especially India. There are more chicken than people in the world. The loudest sound recorded in history was the Krakatoa volcanic eruption in 1883. It sounded like this. US cars generally honking the F key. A red bell pepper has 3 times more vitamin C than an orange. The only domestic animals not mentioned in the Bible is the cat. Sonic the Hedgehog's full name is Ogilvy Maurice Wentworth Hedgehog. A group of crows is called a murder.